Hey guys, so we are back to Goa, and I think by background you guys can understand. So it's been a very hard time, guys, as usual. Every time I come back from my hometown, I say this to you guys. Indudo. Indudo. Because I will tell you why. First thing, there was a lot of fungal thing on our sofa set, dining table, and all over the floor. And one thing that was really difficult to clean. And more than that, what happened is like we didn't switch off fridge. We usually don't do that. I don't know how power went off. Lot of fungal things, and not just that, there were like these small insects as well, and it was horrible, you guys. But then thankfully everything is set now. Everything is sorted now. We already had our breakfast. It was chapati and egg curry. So it was very easy to make. It doesn't take much time. So, and for lunch I have prepared this bindi side dish, and I have also cooked rice. Now I have to make some curry. Maybe I will make a. Ow! My hand. Huggy. So and yesterday night I prepared hair oil, which I'm gonna show you guys right now. Hair oil I made yesterday with curry leaf, neem, and curry leaf, neem leaves, and one more thing, yeah, tulsi leaf. So I have already shot a video which I'm gonna show you guys right now. I have taken neem leaf, which is very good to remove dandruff and any scalp infection, and then this curry leaf, which is very good for hair growth, and then tulsi leaf. As you guys all know, this has got lots and lots of medicinal properties, which is very good for hair and scalp, and it's very good. And then I've already like cleaned it very well with water, and I have dried it properly, so there is no moisture at all, which is very important. Make sure that there is no moisture at all. And to a iron kadai, I have taken coconut oil. I think it's half a liter, maybe less than that, maximum half a liter, that's it. So try to make this oil in iron kadai, because that's very good. And not just that, try to take pure coconut oil. This is something I got it from my hometown, so it's very pure coconut oil. And to it I'll be adding all these leaves: neem leaf, curry leaf, and tulsi leaf. I've added all of these, and I make it a point that throughout this process, this stove is in simmer. It's in medium or simmer, not more than that. Please do not put the flame high. There is chances that it might burn. So all we need is, we want all the goodness of this leaves to get inside this oil. So that's what we need. I always make it a point that I like in between stir it, so that leaves doesn't get burned at all. And then just make sure that make it a point that you look to it. Just don't leave it just like that and go, because there is chances that these leaves will burn and all the goodness will go away. And once this is like this bubbles, small bubbles comes, just switch off the flame and close the lid, let it be there for overnight. And so now I'm gonna pour this using this strainer, so that this leaves and oil get separated. And after that I will transfer this into a glass bottle. I'm gonna keep it like this for good 2 to 3 hours. Emma had her food, and she had it very well, because it's rice and curd, which is her favorite. As you guys know, we have like very big curry leaves tree. Actually I got a lot of them. So this is how I store. I wash it very well, and then dry it so that there is no moisture at all. And at the bottom of this container I have placed 3 to 4 tissue papers, and then I'll be storing this curry leaves just like so. Not only curry leaves, I have also bought this neem leaves and also tulsi leaf. Again, I have done the same thing. I have washed it thoroughly and dried it. There is moisture, there is chance that it will go bad very easily. Then if we are storing these curry leaves just like this, it is gonna last for almost 3 to 4 weeks, sometimes even more than that. And also yesterday we went to Vishal and bought a lot of organizers, which is very cheap there. We get 3 to 4 baskets, very nice organizers, just for 200 rupees, which is something I really love. I think you guys must have already seen me shopping from Vishal. Here we go. Then I will just close it with lid. I will show you guys few things which I got from Vishal. First thing is this cushion covers, which was just for 199 rupees, which is I think pretty cool. It's of very nice quality and it's good. And then I got this box organizers. This actually has 3 of them, 3 different sizes. This is the biggest one, so only one has a lid. It's actually for 199 rupees. It's actually of good quality and very sturdy plastic, which is something I really like. I got is these 2 baskets, and this one, these both together was for 160 rupees. No, not 160. It actually retails for 160 rupees and I got it for 79 rupees. Yes. So again I got this to store my makeup things, and this is a very small basket which was for like 30 rupees I guess. Yeah, it was just for 30 rupees. So next organizer which we got is this one. This one is used by my husband, and first one is this big basket which my husband is using to store his books. Another smaller basket is there which we are using to store toiletries. Another smaller basket is this one, and one pen or pencil holder is there. So this one is for 199. We got the same one more set, and it's again of good quality. We got a small cute little chair for Ima. This actually has some pee sound to it. So when baby sits here, there is the sound like this, and when she gets up again, there is this same sound, which is really cute. Now we are gonna have our lunch. After that I will make Ima sleep. Then the very first thing I'm gonna do is editing, because I have a lot of videos to edit. I think for my English channel there is almost 10 videos to edit, and for my Malayalam channel there is almost 20 of them. So in total I have to edit 30 videos. I don't know when I'm gonna finish it off. Once Ima slept, I was actually editing. I uploaded one video in Malayalam channel, and then yeah, we actually went out for a little bit of shopping, grocery shopping. So we bought fish, and for dinner chapati is already done. I'm gonna make aloo curry, and then I'll be making fish curry as well. We'll keep it in fridge so that we can use it tomorrow. The very first thing I'll be doing is I'll be cutting this onion for fish curry as well as potato curry. I'll be using this vegetable cutter. I've already done a detailed review of this vegetable cutter, and if you guys want to check it out, I'll be leaving the link in card, so please do check it out. I feel that this is very helpful, because we can cut vegetable in very small pieces, so it will be cooking very fast because it's in smaller pieces. Not just that, unlike in mixers, few people actually ask me what is the difference in chopping this vegetable in vegetable cutter and in mixer grinder. Obviously there is difference, guys. In mixer grinder we do not have the control of sizes of pieces, I mean pieces of this vegetable. One is that, another is that all the liquid will come out and it will grind it into a paste. Here it is not like that. We get small pieces of onion or any vegetable we put into this vegetable cutter. We get it in small pieces without any liquid coming out, except for tomato liquid will come out. So that is there. So now I have kept vessels side by side. One is this mud vessel, that is for fish curry. Another one is for potato curry. And for potato curry I have sorted this, I mean I put on coconut oil and mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds pops out, then I'll be putting onion, chopped onion. So for fish curry, first thing I did is I put on a little bit of coconut oil, then onion, chopped onion, and salt. So whenever I put this onion, I make it a point that same time I add salt, because I've heard that it helps to cook onion faster when we add salt. In between, Ima came, she always inquires about me, even if it is for few hours. So she was with her dad, and in between she came to kitchen to see me. But then I do not entertain that much, because it's not safe for children and kids and babies to be in kitchen. So that's the reason I do not entertain her that much being in kitchen. And then I'll be adding spices here. For potato curry I have added green chili and turmeric. That's it. For fish curry I have added green chili, turmeric, and now I have added this chili powder. This is Kashmiri chili powder, so it has got very nice red color, but then it won't be that spicy. So that is there. After that I'll be adding fish curry masala. I do not remember which brand it is, but then you can definitely buy any brand of your choice. So I've added that, and I'll be sorting both really well. And then curry leaf, of course I love to put curry leaf for all my curry. I put handful of it, and then again sort it really well. And if I do not have time to prepare curry for chapati, I always go for this potato curry, because it's super easy. Then I have this already cooked potato, and then I'll be adding that, and we have to mash it really well. So that is there. To that I'll be adding a handful of coriander leaf to both of it, for fish curry as well as potato curry. Some people do not like coriander leaf, that flavor I guess, but then we really love it, so I add handful of it. Then I'll be adding 2 tomatoes sliced to this fish curry, and then I'll be sorting it really well, and giving it some time to cook. And in between I'll be also sorting this potato curries thing. I'll be mashing this potato really well. And to fish curry I'll be adding this kodambuli, which is known as kukum. This typical Kerala kukum, that's something I add to fish curry. Then I'll be closing it with lid. By the way guys, this kukum is really good for our health. It is very good to weight loss as well. And by the way, I am not having this curry for weight loss. I have already lost a lot of weight. So I'm not adding this for weight loss. I'm adding this for that taste. I absolutely love that Kerala kukum taste for fish curry. And then for potato curry I have added a little bit of water, and then I'll be mashing with a wooden spoon really well. I like my potato to be mashing really well. That was my husband who in between came, and he actually wanted to know how the status is. And at the end, for potato curry I am adding a little bit of lemon juice, maybe half a spoon or 1 spoon maximum. That's it. And actually it's almost done. It's just that potato needs to cook a little bit more, so I've kept it in sim. And fish curry is also that onion and tomato is almost cooked, and to that I'll be adding fish, and it's done. And at the end we need to add this coconut milk, and that is must for us. We Malayalis, we love coconut. I mean, absolutely love coconut. So I've added this coconut milk, and then that's it. Just I'll be putting it in simmer for just 2 or 3 minutes. It's actually said that we should not stir it with the spoon after like when while we are cooking fish curry, because the fishes will get broken. But then I just sorted it with the spoon, and dinner is ready. Ima in between, actually she actually had her dinner. Vivek gave her dinner, and while we are having dinner, I gave her cucumber and 2 3 papad. And for dinner we had this potato curry and chapati and salad. And I've kept, I mean, once after 2 3 hours I will keep this fish curry in fridge, and next day's curry is sorted. And that's it, guys. I really hope you have enjoyed watching this video. I really hope so. If so, please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all.